This is an apple pie ice cream sandwich bar. Not only is it vegan and gluten-free, but it is part 31 of our Breaking Up with Dairy series. Now, I know all the fall girlies out there are ready for their pumpkin spice lattes, but I live in San Diego, and the first day of fall means that it is officially local summer, which means that I'm gonna meet you halfway on this one. Okay, I know the internet's gonna come for me in the comments on this one, but I'm not a huge pumpkin fan, but I will do all sorts of crazy things for a bomb apple pie. So essentially, this is my combination of fall and summer all into one amazing ice cream bar. This page is all about helping you go plant-based, but also helping our friends with periods heal their periods naturally through food. And this is a really incredible way to satisfy that sweet tooth. Sometimes when you're feeling hormonal, literally all you want is some sugar. And this recipe is going to do exactly what you want and give you what you need to. This is insanely easy to put together with whole food ingredients, and you can even individually wrap these baddies in pieces of parchment paper and pop them in a silicone storage bag so that you can grab and go an ice cream sandwich whenever you want. Be sure to follow, save, and share because this is going to be one of your new favorites.